Welcome to My African Affairs.
After cooking continuously for more than 90 hours in a bid to break the world record, a Nigerian chef has become a national phenomenon. Since putting on her cooker at 3 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time on Thursday, Hilda Bassey has used more than 100 different recipes. She has been encouraged by politicians, celebrities, and the noisy audience that has gathered to see her prepare meals. The current benchmark, established in 2019 in Rewa, Central India, by Indian chef Lata Tandon, is 87 hours and 45 minutes. Before stating if she has broken the record, Guinness World Records says it is still examining the evidence. Although there are no organization representatives present at the site in Lagos upscale Lekki neighborhood, CCTV cameras have been deployed to keep an eye on the event. Hilda, 27, had originally intended to cook for 96 hours, or until Monday at 5 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time. But she was encouraged to continue until she reached 100 hours by the audience camped outside the venue. She has cooked mostly Nigerian meals, such as jollof rice, as well as different types of rice and pasta, and has also made akara, a popular street food made from deep-fried mashed beans. The food is being handed out to invited guests. She is allowed one assistant at a time, and can take a 5-minute break each hour, or the equivalent over several hours. This attempt is proof of the strength young people can exhibit with the right platform and support, the chef told BBC News Pidgin before starting her marathon cooking session. Hilda is showing visible signs of the physical exertion and is getting cold compresses applied to her head and foot massages during her breaks. A medical assistant is also checking her vital signs. Her attempt has captivated the country, with politicians and celebrities stopping by to cheer her on. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu was at the venue on Sunday, and she also received a call from Nigeria's Vice President Yemi Osinbajo. "We are proud to have Hilda embarking on this journey in our state. I will continue to follow the updates and look forward to the final declaration," Mr. Sanwo-Olu said. Bassey is no stranger to the heat of competitive kitchen events. In 2021 she defeated other contestants at the maiden edition of the Jollof Face-Off, including a Ghanaian rival in the final, to claim the crown for the best version of West Africa's fiercely contested spicy rice meal. She said her passion for cooking was inspired by her mother's culinary techniques and that her recipes were homemade.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.